Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the existing SIC code on the company record and choosing the correct replacement code. This ensures classification accuracy. Once done, gather the company number, your authentication code, and the officer email or account you'll use. Log into Companies House web filing or open your company filing software now. Make sure to select the company you intend to update. Begin the SIC amendment flow immediately so you don't lose your context or introduce errors later. Once logged in, find the Change Company Details option and choose SIC codes. This is the central edit screen. Carefully type each SIC code exactly as listed, add up to the appropriate number allowed, and remove any outdated codes. If prompted, attach evidence or a board resolution that supports the change so the filing is defensible. Make sure the submitting officer is correctly named and authorized. Incorrect authorization is a common rejection reason. Review every entry before moving to. After you've reviewed the summary, submit the update and record the receipt reference so you can track processing. Companies House usually publishes changes within 1 to 2 business days. Check the public record to confirm the new SIC appears. Once confirmed, update statutory registers, filings, and third-party profiles to stay consistent. If the filing is rejected, read the stated rejection reason carefully, correct the specific field they cite, and resubmit immediately to avoid delays in compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.